Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought we could extremely deep clean my son's room, as well as I'll be rearranging his furniture. And I want to do this super quickly because I want to surprise him, because he does not know that I'm going to be doing this for him. He just went to work and but so yeah, so I hope you guys stay tuned for the end of the results. Bye. Thanks guys. All right, so I'm just going to rearrange some stuff. I also took out his mattress off the floor and just took it out the room so that way I can just really deep clean that area before placing the bed there. But before getting that started, I'm going to remove the boxes off this wall, because that's how he has it set up. Was, he wants his shoes displayed on his wall, and that's perfectly fine. And this was a really cool idea that he came up with, but because he's always, taking them down and putting them back up, the boxes just kind of weakened. So I thought to just do a little research. I also looked up on Pinterest how he can display his shoes, and Amazon has the best displays of shelvings, and I just picked some up from there and will order them. And so before doing that, I'm just going to put in some of that putty to cover up some old holes. Okay, so I know I said I was going to display my son's shoes on the other side of the wall, but I thought to just rearrange and put this TV on that wall and then use this wall to set up Cookie or Bunny on this side and just set up her home here, just because I want to extend her dog cage so that way she has more room when she is locked up. Because I mean, we do let her free roam during the day, but at night, we do lock her up, because if we let her out in the day, you guys, she would just go crazy and have a party. She's done it before where she's just all on our couch and peeing and pooping. And so yeah, we have to lock her up at nighttime, you guys. But that's what I'm going to do. So here is where I'm just going to dust off, really sweep and mop, just really deep clean this area for her. And as well as I'll be cleaning the window, because I know you guys can't see it, but it was so dirty and dusty. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, you guys, before I put up her setup. Okay, so just to let you guys know, Cookie is really nosy, so she starts inspecting and sniffing and just being really like, what am I doing to her stuff? And she doesn't like for me to move her stuff, but I still do it. But if she was to give me a thump, then I would put it back. But she actually loved it, you guys. She did not give me a thump, so yay me. CJ didn't know that he was receiving a bed today. When the package came in, Amazon notified me that my package has arrived, and I immediately told Chris, run out there and get it before CJ sees it, because he was about to go to work and it was right on my front porch. So I had Chris to go out and get it, put it in the back of the house until we dropped off CJ from work. And while Chris was doing that, I just went ahead and got everything set up and ready for to start assembling this. And it was really easy, you guys. I make sure that we had all our parts, and I read the pamphlet before even getting started just to make sure I understood it. And then when Chris got here as well, of course it was easy peasy lemon squeezy, because he's just really handy with all this stuff. Me, I'm so impatient. I'm just more like, I get anxious that I just want it set up already. But I know it was a process and it was well worth it, and I can't wait for you to see the results of this. my god, we are almost done and I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see, and especially CJ, I cannot wait for him to see this. I'm so excited and happy to see how he's gonna react. He doesn't know again that I'm doing this. I'm doing this out of just pure of me being a mother, and I just want to show him my appreciation and that I love him. And I also want to just thank my husband for helping me, because some of you guys know I have an injured thumb. I don't know exactly what caused it, but my thumb is really inflamed. So um, Chris has been really helpful, and I the whole time I was just thanking him because I know it would have been super hard without his help. All right, so now we are done setting up the bed. We're just gonna add the bars or the frame, I'm not sure, but that is pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the mattress back on here. Now, I know you're thinking, what about your thumb? But honestly, these box springs and the mattress wasn't heavy at all. And so yeah, so I'm just gonna put that back up, finish what I'm doing and cleaning off the space and all the, you know, area and things like that, and just put everything back in its place, so that way we can go ahead and get started with his display for his shoes on that side of the wall where his bed is at, which you'll see further on. All right, so I was gonna put the shelvings on myself, but Chris doesn't like it when I do it myself, because normally I just eyeball it and just screw it in, and that is it, I'm done. But Chris, on the other hand, he's more pristine about it. He wants to line it up, measure it, make sure it's straight and durable, because, you know, which is really cool that he wants to be a part of this, because, you know, we both feel the same way about our son, and we want to show our appreciation, and we want to make sure that, you know, it's gonna last when CJ takes a shoe off his display. And, you know, so Chris just wants to make sure that it's going to last him a while and it's not going to fall or anything like that. So I appreciate that as well. But you guys, CJ is home and I am so nervous and anxious. He actually got home a little bit. He got off work way earlier than what I expected. And so now it's just kind of like we're anxious and we're in a hurry here because he's in the shower. And I know as soon as he finishes shower, he's going to eat. So we still have somewhat of time on our hands, but not too much. So I'm trying to really hurry up here. But so yeah, so I'm so nervous, you guys. Look at that smile, you guys. It just warms up my heart. I'm so sorry that you can't hear our full-on conversation. As I was editing, there was music in the background and I do not want to get copyrighted, so I just thought to just mute that and do a full voiceover for you guys. But all that is being said is that he loves it and it looks actually expensive, and that he doesn't like those shoes up there, so he actually just put his Forrest Gump shoes up there as a display, which is cool by me. I told him, this is yours, you can do whatever you want with it. And I'm also just super happy that he finally has a bed to sleep on, not just a mattress on the floor. So I'm just so happy and that he finally has this and we share this moment together. But so yeah, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys and thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks, guys.